how to use at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number in your password. So while creating an account on any of your applications or on your websites, while creating, it will ask you to create a password, right? And once you create a password, like when you're trying to create a password, then it will ask you that it should be at least 8 characters with 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number in your password, right? So if you're facing this problem and if you're not being able to set the password, then I'll just show you an example. Like you can open up your WhatsApp, or you can just simply go with the existing page, and what you need to do is type 1 uppercase letter, which means 1 capital letter. For example, I'll just simply choose E. So this is 1 uppercase letter, right? Now you need to include 1 lowercase letter, or you can also go with an extra letters. So I'll just simply go with XAMPLE as the lowercase letters and E as an uppercase letter. And if you want to include a number, then you can just simply include a number, which is 7, 8, like that. You can also include 1 number. And it may also say that it include sign. So you can go with a sign, and you can also include a sign too. So that's how you can fix your problem. Now you can just simply copy this from here, and once you've copied, you need to paste it on the password, and you'll be able to proceed with the following steps. So that's what it means when the password says 1 uppercase letter and lowercase letter and then the number and symbol. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.